Lose weight fast with these 10 tips. 1. Eat less calories than what you burn. If you are trying to lose weight fast, then simply eat fewer calories than you consume. Do not try to reduce your calorie consumption through starvation. This may lead to decreased physical activity and cause muscle loss. Instead, start eating smaller meals more often throughout the day and ensure that they are well balanced. Your body will eventually begin burning fat for fuel instead of your muscles. This happens naturally after about 3 weeks without exercise. 2. Drink water. Avoid sugary beverages and sodas. Also avoid alcohol as much as possible. Water helps flush toxins from your system and makes you feel full longer. 3. Exercise regularly. You should aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio daily, walking, running, biking, along with 20 minutes of muscle-building exercises like lifting weights. Cardio burns fat faster while weight training builds lean muscle mass. Both of these make losing weight easier. 4. Reduce sugar intake. Sugar is addictive. Reducing your intake will help you break the cycle before it starts. A good way to do this is to swap white sweets for healthier options like fruit, granola bars, nuts, or yogurt. Don't forget to limit your sweet tooth. 5. Cut carbs. Carbs are simple sugars that give you quick energy. However, if consumed in excess, they increase insulin levels and slow down metabolism even further. To cut back on carbs, substitute them with complex ones like whole grains, beans, legumes, and vegetables. Try to have half your plate filled with veggies, and get protein from poultry, fish, eggs, or meat rather than carbs. 6. Consume plenty of fiber. Fiber fills you up slower and keeps you feeling full for longer. Whole grains are rich in fiber, so they satisfy hunger and help keep you fuller for hours. Choose brown rice over white pasta, quinoa over couscous, and oats over flakes. 7. Substitute unhealthy fats for healthy ones. Unhealthy fats like hydrogenated oils, butter, margarine, and shortening affect blood cholesterol levels and increase inflammation. Replace them with coconut oil, avocado, olive oil, olives, walnuts, or almonds. They're high in monounsaturated fats, which actually lower bad LDL cholesterol and maintain good HDL cholesterol. 8. Add spices to your diet. Spices add flavor, aroma, and nutrition to food. They also prevent boredom and keep you satisfied between meals. Here are some great herbs and spices to incorporate into your diet: ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, cayenne pepper, basil, garlic, onion, rosemary, fennel, oregano, black pepper, thyme, nutmeg, mint, bay leaf, basil, sage, curry, paprika, chili peppers, chives, parsley, and citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, limes, and grapefruits. 9. Make small changes every week. When you make big changes all at once, you risk getting discouraged and giving up. Start out slowly. 10 tips to lose weight real fast. Small increases in fitness or quantity of food each week will yield positive results in just 10 days. Every time you hit a plateau, work harder until you break through and continue moving forward. 10. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can really throw off your appetite and mood. Aim for 8 hours of solid rest per night.